Welcome to Cybersecurity 101 from DTECPC CO UK, where we explore essential security measures every employee should know. This video will guide you through the basics of protecting both personal and company data from potential cyber threats. Understanding the importance of strong passwords is crucial. Employees should create complex passwords, combining letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessed information like birthdays or common words to enhance security. Phishing attacks are a common threat, often disguised as legitimate emails. Employees must be vigilant, checking for suspicious links or attachments, and verifying the sender's authenticity before clicking or downloading anything. Regular software updates are vital for cybersecurity. Keeping systems and applications up to date ensures that security patches are applied, protecting against vulnerabilities that cybercriminals might exploit to gain unauthorized access. Using secure networks is another key point. Employees should avoid public Wi-Fi for accessing sensitive company data, opting instead for secure encrypted connections like VPNs to safeguard information. Data backup is an essential practice. Regularly backing up important files ensures that data can be recovered in case of a cyber attack, minimizing the impact of data loss and maintaining business continuity. Employees should be aware of the risks of social engineering. Cyber criminals may manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information, so it's important to verify identities and be cautious with sharing sensitive data. Finally, fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness is crucial. Regular training and updates on the latest threats can empower employees to recognize and respond effectively to potential security incidents, protecting both themselves and the company.